Today, we're unboxing the DJI Matrice 400 RTK, DJI's new flagship platform for the next generation of industrial drone missions. Let's see what's inside. Before we take out the drone, we need to attach the feet, as the drone is actually upside down inside of the case. Once the legs are attached, you can take out the drone, take off this cover and place it next to you. Then next up what we have is the DJI RC+2 Enterprise controller, and it already has the DJI RC+2 sub 2G SDR module attached to it. Then we have the TB100 Intelligent Flight battery. Just to note, the battery as well as the battery station, which we will show a bit later, is sold separately or with the combo. And here's the WB37 battery. There's actually two slots, so if you have an extra one, and this is for the controller. Next we have the DJI RC+2 strap with bracket kit. Inside of this bag here, we have the cleaning kit and the screws and tools. And then in this top hidden compartment here, we have some extras. We have extra propeller as well as the rubber plugs and screws. And on the drone, we have the rear propeller holder as well as the front propeller holder. And on the top here, we have the rotating LiDAR calibration cover. Additionally, you can also purchase the extra battery station, where you can charge 3 batteries simultaneously. Let's assemble. For the payload, we are going to use the DJI Zenmuse L2 LiDAR scanner. So, what makes the Matrice 400 truly stand out? First, a massive 59-minute flight time on a single hot swappable high-capacity battery, so you can keep on going in the field without shutting down. Second, heavy lift flexibility with up to 6 kg payload capacity across 7 mounting points, plus rotating LiDAR and millimeter wave radar obstacle sensing, power line level precision even in low light or complex terrain. It also features the all-new O4 Enterprise transmission, offering extended range and relay communication, plus real-time AI processing for smarter, safer missions. Thanks for watching this unboxing of the DJI Matrice 400 RTK, your next-gen tool for powerful, precise and profitable fieldwork. If you've got any questions, want a test flight, or need help picking the right payload for your setup, our team is ready to guide you. Visit somsurveyinstruments.com or message us directly to get started.